Welcome back to the next section of Traefik Training. In this section, we're going to talk about rate limiting middleware. And what does the rate limit middleware do? It actually does exactly what it says. It limits the rate at which people can actually view your content. So I'm hoping everyone gets to this point where you have so many visitors, you need to start slowing people down so they don't abuse your website and try to crash your servers or your API. This is a very common configuration with APIs. For example, you want to limit how many requests a person can do within a certain time range. And that's exactly what we're doing here. So in this particular case, we're saying for every 100 seconds, they can do 50 requests. And this is very configurable. We can say it's 1 request per minute, 1 request per second. And then we can actually take it a bit further and actually define all these very, very well. So we can say the average is the maximum rate in requests a second for a given source. Then the period is a time period, and then you can see that gives us the rate. The rate equals the average divided by the period. And then we can actually tell it, the rate limit, exactly what kind of requests are allowed or disallowed. For example, certain IPs are allowed, other IPs are not. Certain hosts, certain headers, exactly this. But in the lab, we're actually going to turn on rate limiting, and we're going to make it very, very low. So just a couple refreshes will hit the rate limit and we'll see exactly what happens. Join me in the lab as we start enjoying our rate limit lab and turning rates on and trying to break our website by visiting it too often. Join me in the lab.